Assigning a different dimension style. We have a couple different ways of assigning a different dimension style. The first one is we'll go to our Home tab, and then over in our Home tab we have the Annotation tab here, and in the Annotation tab we have we can hit the down arrow, and in the down arrow here we have our dimension style listed right here. So we can assign our a different dimension style right here and pick one dimension. So I can come over here and pick on, say, this 3-inch dimension. I can go over to my dimension styles, right? Hit the down arrow. I can come in here and say I want this to be architectural inch manual, and you can see that I set this to architectural. Likewise, I can also change it in the Annotate tab. In the Annotate tab, I have a drop-down menu here. So if I pick on the dimension, I can hit the down arrow and I can switch it to any particular style I want. And so now I switched it over to the into the architectural style. I could also select it, right-click, and go to Properties. In the Properties, I can go over and find a dimension style, and I can change it back to, say, Standard, and it goes to a different style. I can also select the object, right-click, go to Quick Properties, or I could have my Quick Properties turned on. I can select my dimension style here as well, and I can go to Standard. Also, I can right-click on objects. I can right-click, I can select the object, right-click, and in here I can go to Dimension Style. It'll fly out, and I can set whichever one I want. I could also, right now, I have this particular one, just to verify, my dimension style is called Standard. Alright, I can go to the Update command, and the Update command is right up here, and when I select the object, it goes to whatever the current style is. So you see my current style is annotative. So when I go to Update and I select this object, it will switch it over to the current style, which is annotative. And see, when I hover over it, I get the little triangle scale that tells me it's an annotative. Also, I could select it, I can right-click on it, go to Properties, and you can see my style is called annotative. So, a variety of methods in which we can assign different dimension styles to a dimension.